We are Team 26, and we are the Pseudo-VR Gaming and Gesture Recorder team. Our team is part of the Motion Input group at University College London's Department of Computer Science. Our project aims to give children and adults of different capabilities the chance to create and recreate poses and moves that are represented by their favorite characters in the stories told in existing games. Our software solution is able to trigger action events in those games by making those physical shapes. We can also recognize running on the spot as a forward movement for in-game characters. Our project uses the idea of a gesture recorder to capture a sequence of physical motions. It does this in a uniform way that can be used by both the motion input system developed at UCL and with future applications and games. We have created a new file format which we hope to publish that will allow existing games to be used in physiotherapy scenarios, as well as bring an enjoyable experience of pretending to make character movements recognized for the first time to many types of accessibility users. By doing the gesture with your body, you can control your character to do the exact same action in game. You can become a baseball player with your swinging ability, square up against your favorite opponent as a boxer, compete with friends in a game of bowling from the comfort of your own living room, relax at the lake with your fishing rod, explore the unknown deeps of the caves with your pickaxe, play football with World League footballers, scale historical landmarks as a master assassin, be the king of the streets with your street fighting abilities, and even swing through the city as Spider-Man. This project enables us to mimic a wide range of shapes of our favorite characters. It then lets us bring it into our own existing games without any modifications, and lets us be the hero. Our solution should scale to the complexity of gameplay interaction mechanics that you enjoy, from 1 and 2 button games through to the latest multi-button games. Our software uses hand, body, and speech detection via UCL MotionInput to aim, move, and do various actions in-game. To do this, we have built a gesture recorder as a Windows app. It lets us record the shapes that we want. We have given guidance on each of the features from within the app. The file format that we have created will enable physiotherapy by allowing clinicians to prescribe movements, for example, upper body or lower body motions. These, used with existing games as motivation, will hopefully get more patients back on the road to recovery. Our solution allows users to save and store their favorite gesture shapes. Using our Windows app, you can easily load it to play along with your game. For those who are not physically able to do certain actions, have other modes of control available to them. Accessibility considerations have been a key focus for us, working with requirements from clinicians in the United Kingdom's National Health Service. As a result, if one is not able to stand to do gestures, they can sit and do hand poses. And if one can do neither, then the speech commands are always available to them. We have implemented many different modules to suit, which will be expanded upon in future work. Our gesture tracking software is built with consistent experiences in mind. A gesture can be done by anyone of any body size and shape. Simple games with just a few action gestures will be able to be played as older populations need to keep moving, for example in care homes and in physiotherapy rehabilitation. As complexity in game interactions increases, we have considered in our software what the population can handle. As users grow with motion-based games, like learning to use all computer technologies, they will be able to gradually learn to use more motion combinations to play their games. Games will start with 1 or 2 button style games, like Tetris rotating blocks or platformers jumping with an action. We think this will help with hand-eye coordination, and in general keep people more active. Heroes. We all want to be like them. Video games allow us to do exactly what our creative imagination allows us. Our software puts you at the center of the gameplay by giving you control of the character's actions via the gestures that you choose to do with them. Thank you for listening. We hope you will try our software when it's released onto the Windows Store very soon.